Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install VMware Workstation 17 Pro for free on Parrot OS. Okay, first open any web browser, then go to vmware.com, then search here for desktop hypervisor. Click on desktop hypervisor, then click on desktop hypervisor again, then see here we have the VMware Fusion Pro for Mac and VMware Workstation Pro for PC. Click on download now. Now we have to sign in. See, we have to sign in with the username. But if you don't have account, click on login. Then click on register. Click on it. Here you have to provide email and this captcha. Then you have to fill the details. Okay. Then we will receive email for verification. Okay. So after that, after registration, again come to this page, then provide the email that you have registered. Then click on next, again click on next, then provide the password that you have set for this user. Then click on sign in. Now click on this drop down, then select the VMware Cloud Foundation. Click on it. See here we have two pages. 1 and 2. In the first page, we are unable to find the VMware Workstation Pro because these are in alphabetical order. Then click on next page, that is this one. Then see here we have the VMware Workstation Pro. So click on it. Then see here we have the versions from 15 to 17. Okay. I am going to install this latest version, that is 17.0 for Linux. Click on it. And see here we have the version from 17.0 to 17.6. So click on the 17.6.2. Click on it. Now we have to click on download. Sometimes you need to accept the license agreement. Somewhere here you will have the checkbox. Then we have to select the checkbox. Then only we will be able to click on this download button. Otherwise it will be grayed out. Now it is not grayed out. So click on download. See, download started and its size is 372 megabytes. Wait until download completes. And file name is .bundle. See, download is completed. Now open terminal. Go to downloads directory, CD, downloads. See here we have the VMware Workstation bundle file. ls-ltrh. See, this is not executable file. So change it to executable chmod +o. Then give the first 2 or 3 letters of the bundle file. Give the tab and hit enter. Now ls-ltrh. See, now sorry, it is X. Now verify again. See, color has been changed and it is executable. Control L, ls. See, color has been changed. Now install it. Sudo // then give the VMware bundle file. Give the tab and hit enter. Confirm the password. See, now it is extracting and installing VMware Workstation. See, installation was successful. Now go to menu, then search for VMware. See here we have the VMware Workstation. Click on it. Click on this I accept terms in the license agreement and click on next. Also accept end user license agreement and click on next. Would you like to check for product updates on startup? No. Click on next. I don't want to join the VMware customer experience improvement program. It is up to you. So no, and click on finish. Provide the password for authentication. Then click on authenticate. See, this is the VMware. Now click on create a new virtual machine or file and new virtual machine. Both are same. For me, it not asked for the any license key. But if it asks you, then select the personal use. Then it won't ask any key. So we have successfully installed. Now go to terminal. Ls remove this file. It is not required anymore because we have successfully installed VMware. Give the tab, hit enter, ls. So we have cleared the space. So in this video we have seen how to install VMware Workstation Pro for free on Parrot OS. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.